Alright lads, so as you've seen, I have the inner arch made up and it's still yet to be epoxy primered though. So I just slapped on this arch here to check the fitment of it, because it looked like I was having a bit of a fitment issue here around the petrol cap. It seems like it wants to go in more, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to throw on the back bumper and see how it all fits. But first we're going to take a few measurements. So come over here and I'll show you what I'm talking about. So as you can see, the gap here. Now I can manipulate and push it in there like that, but it's going to take the shape of the panel away. So I want to check and see, because I could cut off this lip here and I could make that go in more. So before I do anything, I want to check a few measurements, because the panel is lined up correctly in comparison to the other one. So let's have a little look at the bumper on. Here she is. So let's get this camera here so you can see it. So we're going to go at the same point either side at the end of the quarter panel. So that measurement there looks to me like it is 46 millimeters. So let's check the other side. Just make sure we're on the same point. Thereabouts. That is 47 millimeters. Okay, so the back is right. Let's check it off the front. That is 61 millimeters. Let's check the others. $60. That's where it wants to sit then. It's actually 59. Okay, so that can't go in. The bumper should sit in the right spot then. Let's look and see. With the bumper being made of glass fibers, it's going to be fair light. Okay, well that's lovely. Oh dear Lord, that sits absolutely beautifully. Let's have a look at that. Move these into position. Now nothing goes like, but that line is pretty nice, isn't it? That's not bad at that, guys. I'm fairly happy with that one. That's lovely. Let's check the other side now. Now bear in mind the other side isn't glued on, screwed on, bolted on, riveted on or anything like that, so it should be, according to the measurements, a millimeter or two. I'm after pushing it over there, but you can sand anything out of it, and there is the lip going on it here as well, so we get the bumper shape of the bumper. Jesus Christ, she has a big curve and it's like a banana there. Yeah, we'll just happy with that. Happy. So what we'll do is make a little plate for in here, and we'll pop right this to the plate and we'll weld the plate to it. And then after we get this little plate put in to secure this, because that's the right size there, we will mess around with the petrol cap, because that doesn't seem to want to work correct. Okay, let's take off this panel and we will get to working on a little plate for this to bolt to, or to pop rivet to, and yeah, let's take it from there. No. Okay. Let's. Oh, that's great. Oh, it's gone. There it is.
A few moments later.
just blowing this one off. This is the driver's side quarter panel, so we've got this one all ready to rock and roll over onto the panel itself. So I'm just blowing it off. We'll blow off the other panel and we'll get bonding and start riveting this one on. We're flying, lads. Yeah, I put the fucking flathead screwdriver now. Jesus Christ.